Automatic cleaning machine Clean LRS is equipped with rotating spray technology. It accurately solves the cleaning problems of screens, stencils, and solder paste, adhesive residues on frames, and efficiently cleans surface coatings or adhesive layers on stencils, as well as flux and foreign contaminants on misprinted boards and PCBA, providing a cost-effective solution for electronic cleaning. Equipment adopts an all-stainless dual-chamber design featuring corrosion resistance, durability, and easy maintenance. The rotating spray arm is equipped with an anti-collision system, balancing cleaning efficiency with PCBA safety. The parallel synchronous spray technology fundamentally prevents stencils bending and warping damage caused by tension reduction, ensuring the structural integrity of stencils. The fully enclosed cleaning chamber is used to realize the efficient recycling and lower the consumption. Multiple monitoring modules enable real-time monitoring of equipment operation status, making the cleaning process controllable and traceable. It is configured with a programmable hot air driving system. The core parameters of the entire process of washing, rinsing, and drying can be flexibly adjusted, adapting to the cleaning requirements of different stencils and easily achieving customized cleaning processes.